welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the E93 M3 and we're going to be working on an intake. So I had some questions about what intake I run, and it's this Vortex intake here. It's an older version, so I'm going to be upgrading it with the newer version here, which has a bigger air filter, wider hole compared to this one here. So we've got the old intake out now. This is the previous version of the Vortex intake. It's also carbon fiber, or I guess they call it carbon composite material. Very heavy duty, and I've been running this for the last year without any issues. I really like it. It's performed well and sounded really good. So you can see this has a bigger opening than this one, and it's much wider. See how much bigger the opening for the mid-pipe elbow is right here versus this. It's definitely a bigger hole versus this, so less restriction of airflow coming in. Here's the other side. Here's the other side. You can just see right there, much more room for air to flow right through versus this. So far, I'm really liking the glass plenum with the carbon fiber. Looks really good. Sounds amazing. High-pitched, exotic induction noise. Pair that with this carbon fiber intake that's super cheap. Let's go ahead and give this car a drive, and then we'll see how it sounds. This intake mixed with this intake plenum, I think it'll sound amazing. Let's go check it out.